Hi everyone, welcome to Build Next. Today we are going to study a new topic like it's F string. What do you mean by F string? F string are something like it's a formatted string literals like we can include variables or expressions inside a string. We already know how to print a string, how to use a string and all. Now using F string we can include a variable or expressions inside a string. I'll just use an example to show you like it's a basic string example. In this we are not using f string or nothing, we are just printing it without f string. How to print some details about a person using string, that's only we are trying here. Like we are defining a variable name and inside it we give it Raj and then his age equal to some 23 and we just need to print these details to the terminal. So we will use the print function and then open the parenthesis. Then we want to use double quotes to print the string. So for that we open the double quotes, then we will type my name is, then here we need to print that name and age here. So what will you use? We use the plus, it's used for concatenate. As name is already a string, it's in double quotes, the age is in double quotes is already a string, we can use name as it is and then the plus concatenate, then open the double quotes, then and I am his age. So we need to give another plus to concatenate. Plus is used to concatenate, it's like adding itself. Like for string also we use plus to concatenate two strings. So but here the age is integer, it's not string, so we need to convert that integer to string. To convert an integer to string we will use str. Inside it we will give the variable name age. So now it's converted to string, then only we can string concatenate. We are doing it manually, the type conversion. So then plus and then years old, then we will just save it and we will run it. You can see it printed my name is Raj and I am 23 years old. Just give some space here and run it again. Yeah, it's now clean and complete. My name is Raj and I am 23 years old. This is how strings without f strings works. So it's not clean, the code is somewhat messy, like we want to manually type convert and it's not that understandable. So after Python 3.6 they have included a thing like f strings. Like f strings are formatted string literals to make the variables and expressions include in a string in a concise and more readable way. So it's introduced in Python 3.6 and after that version, and it's like the basic syntax is like, let's take a new file for f strings. The basic syntax is like you can use your f, then open your double quotes. Inside it you can like what is your text, like there is my name, and then you need to open a curly braces. Inside that you need to give the variable or expression. This is how f strings works. This is the basic syntax, I am just commenting it out. Now we can use the same example we have used for the basic strings to be used in this f string also. So here you can give the name Raj and age 23 and print. Inside print you need to just use f, then the double quotes, then my name is. What you need to use is the curly braces. After you text you need to use the curly braces. Inside the curly braces you need to give the variable name. What is the Raj contained in? It's contained in name, so you give the name and then space and I am next variable name. What is it? Age. Age years old. That's it. Just save it and Control S to save and then run it. My name is Raj and I am 23 years old. This is more easy and concise and readable way. I hope you understand it. Now we can also use expressions inside these f strings like print. You can start it with f. My age is my age in next year will be age plus 1. Just run it. Yeah, so to the age 23 just 1 is added, so it's an expression and it will print my age in next year will be 24. So I hope you understand the concept, and that's it for this video. If you understand and you think it's valuable for you, please subscribe, like and press the bell button. Thank you guys.